The diagram below represents a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. The diagram, it represents a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Why becacisa ukuthi longitudinal wave? It is because ikhona enye inhlobo ye-wave. Angithi, okay, asikhumbuzisana. Ahlukene kabili. We have a transverse wave, we have a longitudinal wave. So ihluke ngani ke le nale transverse. Okay, so ama definitions abo nje acishe afane kakhulu. Unomehluko omncane. Okay, right. So asizama ukuyichaza. A transverse wave is a wave where all the particles that are affected by a wave, so where the particles move perpendicular to the propagation of the wave. Okusho ukuthi uma i-wave iqhamuka izongena ku-medium ethize, ama-particles of that medium will start vibrating, they will start moving around because they are gaining energy, and when they move while the wave is moving itself, i-direction ye-wave ne-direction yama-particles is perpendicular. Igama lithi perpendicular liqonda ukuthini? Liqonda ukuthi at 90 degrees, which means la beqhumana khona i-direction yani, if you have to draw i-direction yama particles while they move and the direction ye-wave while it's moving, they will always be perpendicular. They will always meet at 90 degrees. They will be orthogonal. Amagama aqonde into eyodwa. But le basithingeze yona bathi i-longitudinal wave. Ihluke ngani? It is a wave where the particles of the medium move parallel